Here you can see me ripping out my old switches, some Gatoron Ink V2 Silence, because I want to make this into a clacky board. It's a 1.6 millimeter FlexCut PCB. I'm removing the brass plate and I'm keeping the PCB. It has some already pre-lubed stabs. Here you can see me screwing in the aluminum plate with no foam in between. Um, yeah, and then I'm also ripping some HMX xinhai switches out of my old board, the Polygon 7. I really like this board. It's a very nice clacky board. I was running it with no foam, aluminum, and then everything was just lubed. So I'm basically trying to copy it over to the cyberboard to see if there's any hope of making it clacky. Okay, and then here I'm fitting the cyberboard with the HMX xinhai. And then I ended up running out of some HMX switches, so I ended up using some spare clacky ones I have until my HMX xinhai come in. And here I'm just fitting on some GMK WOB, and here I'm fitting into the case, screwing it on. And here's how it sounds.